Hey, it's another great day at the Solomon Trading Institute, where we believe that it is the will of God that you prosper. We don't just trade, but what we do is we kill that market every single day. And what you would be wise to do is to book a call and find out exactly what we're doing. With the changing of the guard in terms of technology, we're having a lot of opportunities to make money online. And those who don't make money online, you're kind of behind, but you can catch up, and we'll help you catch up. Now, what we do is we do this under the guidance of our federal government. So we don't trade your money or do anything with your money. So, and we don't guarantee or promise you anything. So just check this out and pause this, if you will, and then at your leisure read it and go over it because it is real and it is relevant. What we do though is we give you an education. We give you an education that you can take to the bank. We give you an education that makes a difference, one that you can literally use. We teach you exactly what to do, and so it's real critical that you understand that. Now, we trade this market here. This is called the futures market. So we trade the futures market, and all markets are nothing but places where people buy and sell, where buyers come to sell and sellers come to buy. The thing is that when you look at a money market is just like a supermarket or any other market. I mean, this is where people come to buy and sell. They just do it from a digital standpoint. And so there's about $437.4 billion that's being traded in the market each and every day. So now, critical that you understand that what we do every day is we have what we call a live tech education room. Live technical analysis, because that's what we do. We don't do fundamental analysis, we do technical analysis. So the live technical analysis room. And so when you come to that room, you get an opportunity to ask questions in real time and get a better clarification on something that you might be seeing that's happening in the market, because the market is dynamic, and we give you that opportunity to learn there. Some people come, some people don't. It really doesn't matter if you do or don't. But if you need that extra help while the market is in session, we'll help you with that. On Monday, May the 1st, there were $200 per contract potential. Now, as we always talk about, you either start with one contract and then you work your way up till you get to 10, and some people even go beyond 10. But just imagine if you were doing 200 times 10. So in that, on Monday, you'd have made what, 2K, and we call trade 10 contracts going pro, right? Because as you learn, this is where you begin, of course. But then as your capital grows and your confidence grows, then you start moving up the ladder, so to speak. So on that day, that was there. So on Tuesday, the 2nd, there was $280. Well, what is that times 10? Well, that's 2,000, what? $2,000, right? So what we know is that you can come in and you can learn what we do and how we do it, and then you'll be able to, see some of these results. Now, there are no guarantees. There are no guarantees whatsoever. But what we're doing is we're telling you what people in our milieu and our group is doing. So here's today $665. Well, if you multiply 665 times 10, well, what do you get there? You get $6,650, right? Will you start off at 10 contracts? Probably not. But will you get to that place? Everybody else is moving that way, and you can move that way as well. Now, here's the thing. All we do is we teach you how to read our software, right? So we have a little technical analysis sprinkled in with a couple of other charts, but this is the chart that we use to dictate and find out what's going on. What do we see at this chart? What we see at this chart, we see color codes. We see places where the market is in what we call balance. We see this is called the fair value line. This area that's shaded in brown is called the balance area. And then here, when the shade goes away, this is called M balance. And when the market moves into M balance, then that means that probability is going up, momentum is going up. And then we have here, what we have is called market structure. This is what we call our target. And guess what? It looks like this every single day. And that's the reason we'll be able to be consistent, because what we're looking at looks the same. It doesn't matter that these prices are different over here on a daily basis, but what we have created is something that can give you what we call statistical absolutes, and it looks the very same way every time. Now here it is going down. Well, guess what? When you're going down, here is your target. Here's your target, right? And so here is your what? Your fair value line. And so that means value at this particular time in the market was going what? Down. And so that's real critical for you, to understand. What we do is we make sure we teach you how to identify where the value of the market is, where the true value is, and where the market value is. And that's what we do. And we do that from a technical standpoint. Well, guess what? Back up. So we made one trade down, we made one trade up, and now we're making another trade up. You see that? So it really doesn't matter what the market does. We just need the market to move. We don't care which way it moves. And so here is $265 on that particular, on this particular day. So what am I saying to you? The big picture is that you can come in and you can get started, and then you can move up the scale. So some people start at one contract, right? But then you move to 4 contracts, then you move to 6 contracts, and then ultimately you move down here to 10 contracts. And then guess what? You have an opportunity to do exactly what others are doing. Hey, listen, come on, improve your skill. If you are trading already, if you're not trading, we can help you. We give you a strategy. We're going to give you support, and we're going to help you realize success. So go ahead and come to the website and start here, and you can get acclimated to what we're doing. If you are trading, you can get acclimated to what we're doing, and perhaps it'll help you. So now what do we do? All right, so in phase 1, we call this phase the knowledge phase. The knowledge, right? When we say knowledge, what do we mean? I know that's not the neatest knowledge, but that's knowledge tonight, okay? All right, so the knowledge phase, what are you gaining knowledge on? Software, market structure, market psychology, the essential components for a trading strategy, right? Now, after you get through the knowledge phase, then we come over here to what we call comprehension phase. And those of you who have an educational background, you probably recognize Bloom's taxonomy when you get to analysis, right? In Bloom's taxonomy. So we are professional educators, and that's what we do. We teach you. So when you get to comprehension, we help you. You're going to be able to witness and watch us do it. And then you'll be able to start recognizing the trading opportunities so that you can enter and learn how to manage trades. That's comprehension. Well, what's next? Application. So I'm, in different circles, and I hear people, they talk about trading, and boy, they have this part down pat. They know trading, they understand this, they understand quarter points, they understand the Gann fan, they understand the Fibonacci retracement. Oh man, you ought to hear them talk about that market, right? They understand it, right? All right, and then they have comprehended a little bit. But guess what? This is no good if you cannot apply what you have learned. That's where we come in at, because in order to apply something, you need a hands-on, it needs to be a hands-on approach, and we help you with this, and we help you apply. Well, then after you pass the knowledge, then you have comprehension, then you have application. Well, guess what? Now we have to do what? We have to execute it. We have to execute it. We look good in practice. Now we got to take it to the game. The bright lights. And if T.O. was here, he'll say the popcorn is popping. Now, what's going to happen when this popcorn gets to popping? I didn't mean to say get to popping, but what's going to happen when the popcorn starts popping, right? You're going live, right? This is a significant step. And this is a step that we have taken many people by the hand and help them make this next step. And guess what? You should be next. Go to our website and check out this free training and listen to me talk to you about what we do and how we do it. It's important that you understand and recognize that it is possible for you to do what? To build a legacy. to build a legacy. It's not enough for you to reach your short-term and long-term goals, but you should make a decision to position yourself to pass down your earnings. And we have to stop passing down GoFundMe. And this is not being critical. We live in a society that is allowing you, we have a government that allows you to go to the money markets yourself. In times past, this wasn't even possible. You had to trust someone else, or you had to be a qualified investor in order to get and tap into this. Right now, so we have a mission, right? We have a mission to help you. We want to help you. We want to help you develop. We want to help you develop. Guess what? Skills pay bills. You have to get a skill, right? And now we teach you, right? We teach you how, when, we give you hands-on instructions, step by step, step by step. We're going to be right there along with you, helping you along the way. And guess what? You'll be able to gain knowledge, how to apply technical analysis using our software and our education. And guess what? If you are a novice, it's okay. If you are an advanced trader, it's okay. We're going to help you. That's what we want to do. That's our promise to you. That's our pledge to you, that your income, your outcome is more important than our income. We want to help you. Hey, listen, go ahead and tap into this book and Money Market Autopsy, where I kind of chronicle and kind of talk about. You won't be able to learn how to train from here because it takes a hands-on approach. But what you will do is get a great cursory knowledge about what we do and how we do it. Hey, guess what? Go and tap in here. MoneyMarketEdge.com website. Filled with good stuff. Go ahead and 94253. Text this word profits to 94253, and we'll get with you and we'll help you. Hey, listen, on behalf of the faculty and the staff and all those people who are trained with us, work with us, it is the will of God that you prosper. Hey, hope to hear from you soon. God bless you. Have a wonderful night.